there babes, it's Deenah Dian and welcome back to my channel. How are you doing today? I hope you're doing great. I'm looking like a mess. I'm kind of in a rush. Am I really yeah, I am. Like, I'm actually eating while I'm filming this. No joke. Spanish tortilla. What do you call this in English? It had a name. I can't remember. It's just egg and potato. Today, I'm gonna be showing you my quick glam, like a quick beat. It's not necessarily a glam. Well, yeah, it is. Well, I can get this makeup done in literally 15 minutes. So if you wanna see me go from this to actually pretty, keep on watching. Don't be fooled. Don't be fooled. Ow. Don't be fooled by this ugly face. I'm actually pretty. Am I though? Okay, so like I said, you guys, this takes me literally no time. Like, I swear, I promise I can get this makeup. Ew, did you see my double chin in? I can get this makeup done in like literally 15 minutes. Ew, who am I? Ew, it's not looking pretty. It's not looking pretty. Let's not look at it. Let's do a low bun and call it a fucking day. I'm starving. Please do not judge my brows. They're a little bit red because I tried tweezing them right before this video, but like, I need to go to a salon, get them done properly. I don't have time. Do I not have time, or am I just lazy? That's the real question. But I'm gonna be jumping in quickly with my brow in the shade number 5, I believe. As you can tell, I have really thick hair anyway, so I can be really quick. I really want to try for this summer, spring, get them a little bit thinner. I know everyone's telling me not to do it because everyone regrets back in the 2000s when they did thinner brows. But at the same time, I'm like, let me live. Let me make my mistakes. I also need a new brow because this is so dry. Actually, guys, talking about dry, I saw this penis the other. You know what? I'm not even gonna get there. I'm not even gonna go there. Nuh-uh. Trying to keep it PG. Well, I'm gonna quickly use the Ultra Facial Cream by Kiehl's as a moisturizer for my face. And then I'm gonna use a little bit of the Professional by Benefit primer. You always wanna prep your skin, no matter what you're doing, even if it's gonna be minimal makeup or if it's gonna be a lot. You wanna have nice moisturized under eyes, just so like your concealer looks really good. I am dying for like a chilled out, calm night. So please, hopefully this weekend, I can chill in the sofa. Comment down below, what are you loving on Netflix right now? So for foundation, you've guessed it, Dior Forever Skin Glow in the shade 2N. Give it a little shaky shake. 3 pumps, and that's all we're gonna give it. It's nearly summer, like spring is here, hot girl summer. Should I do a hot girl summer makeup look? I feel like everyone's doing those. I like to focus most of my coverage on the perimeters. She's culturized. The outside of my face, and then drag it into the middle of the face. You know what I mean? Like, I like my coverage to be like out here and then get softer as it goes in. With my everyday makeup, I like to still show freckles and moles and stuff like that, so I don't go too deep into the middle of my face. If they do a remake of Ninja Turtles with women, cast me, because I already look like one. My nose, so you know what, I have to be honest with you, I have a really big freckle in my nose and I don't like it, so I always put a lot of foundation. This is the worst tip I can ever give you. You should never, especially now that we're wearing masks, don't put extra foundation in your nose. I'm just self-conscious of that freckle. For concealer, we're gonna be using the Revolution Conceal & Define in the shade C6. And I'm gonna honestly just put a lot right here where it's dark. Same as here. And then just here to lift. And I will do the same with the powder. And then whatever's left over with my beauty blender, I'll drag on to my eyes. But as you can tell, I have a lot of freckles in my eyes too. So if I hide everything, then my face looks weird. I like my freckles to still show. And then I put a little bit of my nose just to make it look cuter. And a little bit of my cupid's bow just to pretend I have a cupid's bow. And in the bottom of my chin. So after we contour, my chin looks more pointy. I like a pointy chin at the bottom. I know, I'm a weird girl. It's not just the Facetune, it's also the makeup techniques, babe. So, beauty blender, and we blend. Honestly, have you guys seen the trailer of the movie Those Who Wish Me Dead? Girl, that movie It's gonna be amazing. I'm a huge fan of Angelina Jolie. Like huge, I can't see myself. Like huge. Every movie that she makes, I'm like down for it. And apparently people are saying that this is from a book. So, I mean, the movie's coming out in May. Do I have the money or the time to buy a book? I hate reading on like my phone or like an iPad or anything like that. I don't like reading online. I like physical. Everyone in the comments of the trailer was like, yes, the book was amazing. This movie's gonna be a hit. And I'm like, what book? Didn't hear about it. And then for my translucent powder, I'm gonna be using the RCMA No Color Translucent Powder. I always get really messy with this. To make use of my time, I'm gonna use it here also, just so it cuts up the cheek area, so it's easier to put bronzer on, and I don't really have to contour or as much. I don't like to let the powder just sit in my skin for too long, like I'm not baking. I just wanted it to be set and like nice and cute. So taking a nice heavy brush, heavy, and my Studio Fix foundation from MAC in the shade and C40. I have like none left, so it doesn't really matter. I just swirl around and then boop, boop, boop. Get rid of the powder. You know, get rid of the excess. And then in the areas that I didn't put powder, I powder them just to set them, you know. I like my foundation to be steady, set. Keep like wiping it off every now and then because it will pick up the white powder and it won't blend as nice. You see what I'm doing there? You see? See, it looks like I've already contoured, but I haven't. Do we have time to contour today? If you do, then do. Should I? Listen, just for the sake of the video, quickly, I'm gonna grab the same palette that I had on, the KVD Beauty Shade and Light. Grab the cool tone and the middle tone quickly and just go where that line was that we did with the powder right there, from where my ear begins, down. Since we're here, you know, make that pointy chin just how I like it. So for actual bronzer, I'm gonna take a fluffy brush and my bronzer. This one is from Physicians Formula in the shade Bronzer, I believe. Quickly and just boop, 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 boop. Love that noise. Boop, 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 boop. I am like high or something, but like not really. But like I am. Little bit on the forehead, even though, you know, sweat is gonna take it. I haven't even posted this and I can already tell like this video should be flagged. Should be flagged. This content should be illegal because it's a mess. Have another quick bite, you know. Taking the Morphe E62 brush, I'm gonna go back to the KVD Beauty palette, middle shade, and quickly just bronze up / contour my nose. But like not really, it's more like a bronze up, not really a contour, because like I said a million times in this video, we're in a rush. You know, I'm a blush type of girl. Blush up for the gods. Orgasm by NARS is my blush for life. This is where I go in, I go ham. This looks amazing on pictures. Might look too pink on camera, but like on pictures, it just gives me everything and more. Bit on the tip of the nose, because you know, I'm 12. Okay, babes, so honestly, the eyes are super simple, like you won't even believe. This is how much I would do on a daily basis to my eyes. I would take the same bronzer that I had on my face and just, you know, define the crease, extend it out so it looks a bit more sexy and sultry, and call it a motherfucking day. Yeah, you guessed it. It's the only way we can do things in a rush. Then for mascara, I'm gonna be using a new one actually today. This is the Wonderluxe Volume Rimmel London. Super excited to be testing this bad bitch out. Was it open already? Did someone else use this before me? Who knows? I literally just got it. I could be getting pink eye. Oh, she really said blackity black. But she also said, hi Deenah, you didn't actually wash your eyes properly. There's a lot of lash glue left in there. You know, she's calling me out, but she's right to do so. We are growing here, honey. Like 170 subscribers, check this morning. Thank you so much. Hello, newbies. How are you doing? How did you find me? What are you doing here? Are you okay? Do you need help? To be subscribed to me, I think all of you guys need like therapy, or maybe you guys are my therapy. Maybe you realize this girl needs help. Let's help her. I actually look really cute. I would go out like this. I would. Yes, I would. Okay, so while the mascara is drying a little bit, I'm gonna move on to lips. Lips are super simple. I'm gonna be using this NYX retractable lip liner in the shade Nude. Hello. It's one of those things that you like roll up, but like, okay. So yeah, what I was saying earlier. See, I keep forgetting what I'm saying. Me wanting to talk while doing lip liner. Am I stupid? Yeah, so what I was saying, you guys, is hello. Hi, 170 people. How are you doing? I hope you're doing great. Listen, what would you guys like to see? I see that you guys are enjoying the vlogs. But like, do you want more vlogs? Like, what do you want to see of me? I need interaction. Let's talk in the comments. Let's get to know each other. Like, who are these people? I don't know you. Kind of weird. No, like, let's talk. Are you okay? Oh my god, this looks like a movie scene. And you're waking up, and I'm the first thing you're gonna see when you wake up. Sorry. Hi, good morning. You've been in coma for 7 years. I'm your wife. Imagine that. No. No one would want that. Imagine waking up after 7 years and all you see is this fucking face. Mug. Okay, but for real though. Like, what content do you guys want to see? I have some ideas, you know, of content that I'm gonna do and stuff like that. I have a couple of ideas and things planned. But I want to know what you guys want to see. Now that my lips are lined, I'm gonna jump in, take my hair off this lipstick, and I'm gonna use the Fenty Glow Gloss Bomb. Get them juicy, honey. Are you the type of person that shakes the lipstick, or do you shake your head? I always shake my head. Like, I see everybody doing lipstick like this. I can't do it. I have to put the lipstick still and shake my head. Is that weird? Now the moment of truth. Lashes. I'm gonna be using the lashes from Bad Babes Lashes. It's a brand here in the Canary Islands. And I'm gonna be using them in the style Sugar Daddy. Sugar Daddy or Sugar Baby? I think it was Sugar Baby. Me thinking about my next Sugar Daddy. I actually cut them down myself just to like fit my eye perfectly. So it's kind of like an outer corner thing. They are a bit dirty. I've used them, like, honestly, not even exaggerating, 20 times in a row. Not cleaned them whatsoever. So we're gonna see how they turn out. But this is, honestly, I'm being as honest and as real as I can with you guys. Like, you guys know the drill by now. I put them in the outer corner, like the end of my lashes. And they just give me that cat eye look. Will they give me a cat eye look today? We will see. Maybe they give me a homeless look. We will just have to figure it out together. And my battery is also about to die. She's flashing at me like, hurry up, bitch. You said 15 minutes. It's been 30. I'm still hungry. How am I supposed to eat this with my lip gloss? Can I shove the whole thing in? Now that's being talented. I got my peaches out in Georgia. Yeah, that shit. Hello. Isn't this super, super cute? I'm loving the lashes, like I said. I like how they're like full here and then they just go boom, you know? And there's like nothing in the start, because I chopped them obviously, because it gives me like prostitute-y vibes. I am so into it. I might look back in a couple of months and be like, Deenah, what were you doing? But right now, this is the look that I'm living for. She's working. If you see me on the streets, mind your business. I'm just a cute little girl trying to live the dream. Well, there you go, you guys. This is like my everyday quick beat. 50-minute gloom. Oh my god. My manly voice just showed through. Where's my estrogen? Where's my estrogen? Okay, you guys, well, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I upload videos every Thursdays and Sundays, twice a week, honey. If you can't count, there you go. 1 and 2, it's 2. So there you go. You can subscribe to come back for more. Thank you again for 170 subscribers. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram and also my TikTok. My Instagram is really cute, aesthetic. I do a lot of stories talking about my sex life, which, sorry in advance. Sorry. And then on TikTok, I'm a little bit problematic. Yeah, I cause a lot of shit on TikTok. Sorry. Sorry, men. Sorry if you're a straight male. Maybe my TikTok's not for you. But anyway, I see you guys on the next one. Bye.